If you're trying to find the perfect sewing machine for your home projects, you've just landed on the right video. Over the past few months, I've tested and compared some of the most talked about models, from heavy-duty machines that slice through denim and leather to ultra-smooth computerized options that make sewing feel effortless. But here's what I discovered. Not every top-rated sewing machine truly deserves that title. So in this video, I'm revealing the 5 sewing machines that actually deliver real performance, value, and reliability for home users in 2025. We're going from number 5 all the way to my number 1 favorite, the one I believe dominates when it comes to stitch quality, speed, and overall user experience. And yes, all the links to each sewing machine are down in the description if you want to check the latest prices or reviews. So grab your fabric and thread, and let's get started. At number 5, Singer Heavy Duty 4423. Kicking things off, we've got the Singer Heavy Duty 4423, a rock-solid machine that's proof you don't need to spend big to get serious sewing power. Built with a motor that's 60% stronger than standard models, it tears through thick fabrics like denim, canvas, and light leather with ease, all while hitting an impressive 1,100 stitches per minute. You get 23 built-in stitches, an automatic needle threader, and a stainless steel bed plate that keeps fabric moving smoothly. The adjustable presser foot pressure lets you go from silk to upholstery fabric without a skip or jam. It's completely mechanical, no touchscreens or software, which means fewer problems and years of dependable performance. If you want a reliable, tough-as-nails machine that focuses purely on power and longevity, the Singer 4423 is an absolute steal. But if you're after more control, creativity, and computerized precision, the next one's a big step up. At number 4, Brother CS7000X. Next up, the Brother CS7000X, a perfect middle ground between a beginner-friendly machine and a feature-rich professional tool. It offers 70 built-in stitches, including decorative and quilting options, displayed neatly on its LCD screen for quick selection and setup. The automatic needle threader, jam-resistant drop-in bobbin, and included extension table make it ideal for home decor, fashion, or quilting projects. Plus, it comes with 10 presser feet right in the box, covering everything from zippers to buttonholes and blind hems. It runs quietly and offers adjustable sewing speed, giving you more control on tricky fabrics or tight corners. While it's a bit slower than the Singer, it's smoother, smarter, and far more versatile. If you're a creative sewist looking for a dependable, easy-to-use machine with room to grow, the Brother CS7000X won't disappoint. But now we're moving into pro-level performance territory. At number 3, Bernette B77. At number 3, meet the Bernette B77, a machine designed for ambitious home sewists who want the power and precision of a studio setup. This machine comes with 500 built-in stitches, 17 automatic buttonholes, and a gorgeous 5-inch color touchscreen that gives you total control over your projects. You can fine-tune tension, adjust stitch length, and even use the built-in sewing advisor to match settings perfectly to your fabric. Its dual-feed system ensures flawless stitching across both lightweight and thick materials, while its programmable foot control and knee lift keep your workflow smooth and ergonomic. With its included walking foot, quilting foot, and large extension table, it's ideal for big creative projects. If you're looking to invest in a premium home sewing experience, the Bernette B77 hits the sweet spot between power, tech, and precision. At number 2, JUKI TL2000Qi. At number 2, we've got a machine that blurs the line between home and industrial, the JUKI TL2000Qi. This is a semi-industrial straight-stitch machine that sews at a blistering 1,500 stitches per minute, all while maintaining near-perfect consistency. It's built mostly from metal, offering rock-solid stability and a professional-grade feel. The microcomputer speed control keeps your stitches even, no matter the fabric thickness or speed. It includes a knee lifter, automatic thread trimmer, drop feed for free motion quilting, and a large extension table for massive workspace. Yes, it only does straight stitches, but they're so clean and accurate that most professionals swear by it for quilting and upholstery work. If you want industrial strength and control in a home-sized package, the JUKI TL2000Qi is your go-to. But our #1 pick brings together everything, power, precision, and versatility into one incredible machine. At #1, Janome MC6500. Finally, taking the top spot, the Janome MC6500. This is the ultimate all-rounder, combining the reliability of a mechanical machine with the speed and convenience of digital control. You get 170 built-in stitches, 2 alphabets, and an ultra-sturdy 10-inch metal flatbed, giving you the space and stability to handle everything from delicate garments to heavy quilts. Janome's Superior Feed System Plus keeps your fabric feeding smoothly, while the automatic needle threader, one-touch needle plate conversion, and independent bobbin winder make setup a breeze. It runs at 1,000 stitches per minute with whisper-quiet operation and incredible stitch consistency. Add in 6 bright LEDs and intuitive controls, and you've got a professional quality machine that's still easy enough for home users. It's not the cheapest, but for the performance, durability, and comfort you get, it's worth every penny. So, there you have it. My picks for the best sewing machines for home use in 2025. From beginner-friendly models to professional-grade powerhouses, these are the machines that actually live up to their claims. If you want to check specs or see the current prices, all the links are in the description below. And I'd love to know, what sewing machine are you using right now? Let me know in the comments. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more product comparisons and hands-on reviews. Until next time, happy sewing!